Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the Teal Truck Center YouTube channel. My name is Jim Teal with Teal Truck Center out of Pleasant Valley, Iowa. Guys, we are a truck dealer on the very eastern side of the state of Iowa in an area called the Quad Cities. We're located on Highway 67, only 2 miles off of Interstate 80. So if you're rolling through the area, you gotta come check out our cool inventory. So guys, if you keep an eye on our stuff, we're really into trucks, new, old, in the middle, doesn't make a difference. We love trucks, but we really like old, nice trucks. And that's what this one right here is, man. This is a local truck. This is a 1996 one owner F150 extended cab short bed 4-wheel drive. Again, one owner. Beautiful truck, guys. So let me give you the walk around on this. As we do, I'll give you the story. This gentleman bought this brand spanking new in 96, drove all the way to Kentucky to get this one because he wanted an extended cab short bed and he wanted it in this green color, which is beautiful. He said he couldn't find one anywhere in the country, so he drove the distance, and here it is today. Beautiful truck, guys. Let me give you the walk around. So XLT, you got the chrome package, got these really nice whole shot factory wheels, Cooper Discovery tires, deep with tread, those timeless running boards. Those things are so cool. He had the windows tinted in it way back in the day. Just give you another idea about how well this was taken care of. I got all the service records, Carfax, all that good stuff. But hey, about 5 years ago, he decided, you know what? I'm gonna keep this truck forever. It's gonna be my toy. So he took it into a local body shop and said, I want the thing to look perfect. Spent, I think he said, almost $10,000 just making the body perfect, brand new paint. And I want you to really take a look. Look how beautiful that paint is. It's clean, no rust on this body. Check out the inside, guys. So it's an XLT. We got cloth interior, full power package, everything you can possibly put on it. Air conditions, a hot day here in Iowa. It is cold as can be coming out of there. Shift on the fly, 4-wheel drive. Radio works. No issues, guys. Drives out perfect. Let's take a look at it. I really can't show a whole lot of flaws on the truck, guys. I'm telling you, they did such a nice job. Chrome's all in good shape. I'm sure there's a small scratch or something, but man, it's nice. Again, 5.8 liter. It's got the big engine, 4-wheel drive, 96, 150, extended cab, short bed, 4-wheel drive. It does have 212 for miles, but I'm telling you, if you didn't know, you think this thing had 30,000 miles on it. That is how nice it is. So guys, we're gonna price it right. Go to our website, tealtrucks.com, THIEL trucks.com. Give us a call, 563-424-2000. Just showing you now how beautiful that paint and that body is. Guys, we can ship anywhere in the country for you. Besides just as clean. Let me tell you something. These seats have never been redone. That's how well they're well taken care of. Clean. All right, guys. TealTrucks.com. That's THIEL trucks.com. Give us a call, 563-424-2000. Again, we can ship this anywhere in the country. So if you're in Florida, if you're in California, if you're in Texas, and you want a darn nice classic OBS Ford, this is your truck. Give us a call. All right, guys. Till next time, have a good one.